Hello friends, hope you all am back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to learn how to disable startup sound on Windows 11. If you find the startup sound in Windows 11 distracting or unnecessary, here is a simple way to disable it. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to click on the Start button and choose the Settings tab. And then you have to click on the System tab and choose Sound from the side panel. And then you have to scroll down and click on More Sound Settings to access the classic sound control panel. In the Sounds tab of the sound window, look for the option labeled Play Windows Startup Sound, and then you have to uncheck this box to disable the startup sound. And finally you have to click on Apply and OK to save your settings, and that's about it. You have successfully turned off the startup sound on your Windows 11 device. If you ever want to re-enable it, just follow the same steps and then check the box again, and that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.